Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to edit your query params or post data of your OctoPerf scripts. So this is a basic script of JPEG store. So when I go to the request, when I click on the request, we have any multiple options here. So you need to click on your request. On one click it will expand and another click it will collapse. When we expand, so this is the query parameters what we have. So you need to add your by entering the key. Like if you have any query parameters you want to edit it. So I will open the query parameter which we are already having. So we have the query parameter assigned form. So we don't have any value here currently. Currently we don't have any value. So include equal to on your request. Otherwise, it will go as a without equal to in your variable. So generally we use equal to here for just generic query param, and a post body or JSON body we will use the equal to. If you want to encode your request, if you want to encode your value, please click on this radio button, which will enable the encoding and disable the encoding here. And if you have any post data required, so we have a login call here. So in this login call, we don't have any query parameters, but we have a post data. So if you go to the post data, we have a post data. So it's for data type is URL encoded. So we got the key and parameter, key and value, and all the values are encoded here. If you want to change the data type, so still we have control to like form data, JSON, everything. If you click on raw, so just not don't want to. Okay, I will do copy and we'll paste it another request here. We'll paste another request. We can edit those requests. Yeah. So this is a copied request. If we'll change the post data here. So you click yes. Here you can change your post data. You can give it a JSON, XML, or HTML, and whatever is required in the data type. So the file, if you are uploading the file, then the file name should be in your files. File name should be in your dependency files, and then you need to add your file name here. You need to add your file name here. Add it your file name in post data under file. You need to require file name and the file content type. So you need to give those information which we use here. And if you have any think times or follow dates, we can enable and disable here. So if you want to give think time 5 to 10, it's at random. So I'm making a static 1 second per request. So we don't have, and here we have any headers. For each request we will have an header. So if you want to change any of the headers here, you need to pass this header here. So we can just similar like a JMeter, we can use the JMeter variable what we created on the previous correlation. We can use that variable here for replacing your authentication tokens or JOT tokens or required parameterizations. But thanks for listening, Jason. I hope this will help. Thank you. Thanks for listening.